Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by choosing a reputable voice changer and download the latest stable release. Install the program using default settings for reliability and speed. Open the voice changer and set your microphone sample rate to 44, 1 kHz, and 16-bit for consistent audio. Choose a virtual audio device output inside the voice changer. In Windows Sound settings, set that virtual device as the default recording device. Confirm the device works by testing a short recording inside the changer. Launch Valorant and open the audio settings to configure voice input correctly. Select the virtual audio device as Valorant input inside the game settings to route process sound. Enable push-to-talk and map a convenient key for controlled transmissions. Adjust in-game voice volume and the voice changer output to balance clarity. Aim for a 60 to 40% balance favoring game audio to avoid overpowering teammates. Test voice with a friend or in a practice match to verify levels. If you experience latency, close unused apps to lower processor usage and improve timing. Reduce complex effects like heavy pitch shift if teammates report distortion in voice. Lowering sample rate mismatch can also resolve crackling and artifacts quickly. Update your audio drivers and the voice changer to the latest versions for compatibility. If Valorant still does not accept the virtual device, run the game repair tool and restart your PC. Finally, use a wired headset and a quality microphone for the best consistent results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.